Do you have an I'll get to it pile? You know the one I'm talking about? It's newspapers, it's magazines, it's trade journal articles, it's something that somebody sent you and you print it off and you stack it up. It sits over here in a pile right here outside of your peripheral because you know you should read it, but you just haven't figured out the time when you're going to read it. If that sounds like you, stick around, like and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to make sure that you understand what it takes to be as efficient and as effective as possible when it comes to reading and retaining information. Okay, if you've got that I'll get to it pile, I got good news and I got news indifferent. All right, the news indifferent is that sucker ain't going to go away. The good news is there's a very simple strategy that you can use to reduce that pile by 70% and ensure that the information that you do choose to read is going to stick in your memory and you'll be able to do something with it. All right, so here's a very simple methodology, a very simple process for reducing that workload and reducing the amount of unwanted stress that comes with having that pile exist in the first place. What I want you to do is I want you to take everything that's in that pile and I want you to assign it a grade, 1 through 10, right? A 10 means, oh my God, this is impeccably important. I cannot survive. I cannot thrive. I can't even run my business if I don't have the information that's in this article or newsletter or whatever. A 1 is, I don't even remember what I got that and why, who I got it from and what it's for. Okay. Give everything a score. All right, once you've got that all, you're going to separate out into the piles. You got pile 1 pile, a 2 pile, so on and so forth, all the way up to 10. Now, here's where it gets fun. Make sure that you've got a recycling bin nearby. Because what you're going to do is you're going to take every single pile labeled 1 through 6, put them all together, make them all nice and tidy, and then put them in the recycling bin. If it's not a 7 or higher, it's simply not important and you can just let it go. Now, with your 7, 8, 9, and 10, this is the stuff that you know is important to you. This is the stuff that you know you want to do something with. So what you're doing is as you lay out your weekly calendar, when you're doing your 2-hour solution, make sure that you're factoring in reading time so that you're proactively deciding when you're going to chip away at this list. Then you ask yourself those 3 questions before you read it. Why am I reading this? What do I need the information for? And how long do I have to read it? When you answer those 3 questions, you will give yourself purpose and a sense of urgency. And then that 7, 8, 9, 10 quality information that you're trying to read and interpret and implement, you've got a much higher likelihood of you finding what you need to get out of that article, implementing it, using it, and increasing your success, increasing your productivity, increasing your efficiency, and you've eliminated the unwanted stress of your 6 and under reading. Okay, I've got a cheat code for you. Down in the description below is a link. You can download your own version of the Reading Smart Index card, which asks you those 3 questions and has a tip for reading faster with higher comprehension. That link is down in the description below. Grab it today and happy reading.